Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to make a vanilla strawberry swirl cake. Please do subscribe, like and share, and please leave if you have any comments in the comment section. Let's begin with the recipe. One and a half cup of whole wheat flour in a mixing bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix the dry ingredients and keep the bowl aside. In a separate bowl, take half cup of oil of your add half a cup of coconut sugar or refined white sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix well. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and again mix well. Add 1 cup of room temperature milk. If you find the mixture too dry, then add some more milk to it, around half a cup, and mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. If we overmix the batter at this stage, the cake will not rise well, so do not overmix. Divide the batter into 2 equal parts and add strawberry jam around 1/4 cup to 1 part. I am adding my homemade strawberry jam. You can use ready-made strawberry jam, and if you are interested, do watch my strawberry jam video. Now add some food coloring to give it a bright pink color. Grease a 6-inch baking pan and preheat your oven at 180 degrees centigrade for at least 15 minutes. Now pour the batter as shown. Pour 1 scoop of vanilla batter, then 1 scoop of strawberry batter alternatingly until the batter is over. Now using a butter knife, give it a nice swirl. I am giving it a heart shape. Bake at 180 degrees centigrade for at least 30 to 35 minutes. After 30 minutes, check the cake inserting a toothpick. If the toothpick comes out clean, the cake is done. Let it cool down to room temperature before you take it out of the baking pan. Put decorations of your choice. I have put some strawberry puree and these sugar hearts and pearls. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in my next video.